Adam Carter says, "What's your favorite knockout of 2018 so far?" I assume he's talking about dishes and not MMA or boxing. Um, and in that case, I really liked the two things. One was the Snake River Farms Gold Wagyu that they sent me. I mentioned this earlier, but they hired me to make a video on how to sous vide prime rib, and they sent me one of their bone-in American Wagyu prime rib roasts, and it was amazing. And it was really fun to experiment with it and cook it in a few different preparations. And I had my friend over, and we were splitting $400 worth of meat because there was an 11-pound prime rib. So that was really fun and just something that I generally don't do on a day-to-day basis. And the other one was from my sous vide Thanksgiving course. I hadn't really made a turkey or chicken roulade before, and uh, part of the course, I had a lot of people talk about doing it, so I wanted to make sure I had a recipe or two for it. And I really enjoyed trying the different roulades and just you know learning how to take apart a turkey and break it down and take the skin off at a whole piece, and then roll it all up with spices and seasonings on the inside, and I used some meat glue to hold it together. And it was a really fun special occasion type meal that I really enjoyed. I think I posted a link to the video earlier in the group, so you might be able to search for that. If not, we can. I think we have a free preview of that part of the Thanksgiving course, so I can pass that along. But those are two of my favorite things that I've done so far this year for more special occasions.